In 2026, North Carolina will develop a statewide carbon plan, a roadmap for reducing climate-changing carbon emissions. This is a chance to reshape our energy future. Electric generation accounts for a third of North Carolina's greenhouse gas emissions. These emissions fuel extreme weather, dirty our air, and wreak havoc on our communities and on our economy. In addition, power plants are disproportionately located near Black, brown, and low-income communities, forcing them to shoulder the heaviest pollution burdens. We need a strong carbon plan that reins in dirty air pollution, shifts to cheaper, cleaner energies, prioritizes environmental justice, and builds a clean energy economy. Lawmakers have tasked the NC Utilities Commission with creating a carbon plan to achieve net zero carbon emissions by the year 2050. But Duke Energy is pushing its own plan that would put our climate targets out of reach, calling for new investments in coal and gas while pumping out harmful air pollutants. Fortunately, Duke Energy doesn't have the final say. Policymakers want to hear from North Carolina's people and communities. This is our chance to make our voices heard. So what can we do? Sign up to attend a public hearing near you and show your support for clean energy solutions. Write to the Utilities Commission calling for an equitable clean energy carbon plan during their public comment period. Talk to your community about the importance of the carbon plan and encourage them to get involved. And finally, stay informed. Go to CleanAIRE NC.org for resources and the latest updates. North Carolinians will play a huge role in shaping the carbon plan. Let's work together to build a plan that protects people, not fossil fuel profits.